In recent years, the allure of television dramas has captivated audiences around the world, creating lenses through which many viewers interpret reality. Suits, a legal drama that aired from 2011 to 2019, stands out as a particularly compelling example of how entertainment can shape the public perception of professional fields, specifically law. Beyond its compelling storylines and charismatic characters, Suits has influenced how many people envision the legal profession, while also sparking debates about the realities of legal practice versus fictional portrayal. We begin our exploration by looking at the central theme compellingly depicted in Suits, the life of a high-powered law firm. The series centers around Harvey Specter and Mike Ross, whose unorthodox start at the prestigious Pearson-Hardman law firm defies traditional entry routes into the legal profession. This premise naturally fascinates viewers as it plays on both the desire to achieve professional success and the intrigue surrounding bending, if not outright breaking, conventional rules. The dynamic of mentorship between Harvey and Mike, rife with lessons on legal prowess and strategic thinking, entices many to view law as a field of intellectual gladiators, constantly engaged in mental and verbal jousting. Television shows like Suits tend to amplify certain characteristics for dramatic effect, and in doing so, they shape perceptions, sometimes inaccurately so. The show paints an image of lawyers as inherently charismatic, impeccably dressed, and perpetually entangled in high-stakes litigation. Yet, reality presents a more diverse picture. Legal practice, in its true form, consists largely of meticulous research, drafting of documents, and an unwavering attention to detail that may not always align with the glamour depicted on screen. Yet, despite these differences, it's undeniable that Suits glamorizes the legal profession, potentially influencing career aspirations by showcasing the profession's more attractive qualities. Another key influence of Suits lies in its portrayal of the legal system itself. With each episode, viewers are given dramatic court battles, strategic settlements, and moral dilemmas that captivate and engage. This portrayal, however, often glosses over the procedural elements of the law, focusing instead on the expedited versions where cases are solved swiftly, usually within a single episode. This simplification can leave audiences with a skewed understanding of how the judiciary operates, potentially fostering unrealistic expectations about the speed and nature of justice. Furthermore, Suits broaches significant socio-legal issues through its narrative, with plotlines challenging notions of corporate misconduct, ethical violations, and personal integrity within the legal sphere. The show highlights the ethical decisions lawyers must grapple with. This can lead to important societal reflections regarding the complex moral landscape that professionals navigate, cultivating a public dialogue on ethical integrity versus professional success. Critical to understanding the influence of Suits is the gateway it provides into legal terminology and strategy for a lay audience. Through its script and dialogue, the show's introduction of legal jargon could spark a heightened interest in legal literacy, a beneficial side effect as it propels audiences to become more informed about legal fundamentals. This understanding, albeit superficial in some respects, can empower viewers with basic legal knowledge, making them more conscious of rights, legal considerations, and the ramifications of certain actions. Lastly, the impact of Suits extends beyond entertainment. It also influences the aspirations of those considering a legal career. By painting a vibrant picture of law firm culture, complete with power struggles and personal victories, it has inspired many to pursue legal studies. For some, however, this may result in a romanticized view of the profession, prompting a reality check when faced with its less glamorous, more rigorous demands. While Suits is first and foremost an entertainment drama, its widespread popularity and portrayal of the legal world have tangibly shaped public perception. The show's charismatic characters and intelligent dialogue invite viewers into a world where intellect and influence reign supreme. It delivers a mixture of aspiration and intrigue, yet also calls for a discerning interpretation of fiction versus reality. Ultimately, Suits opens a dialogue about what it means to practice law in today's world. urging audiences to weigh romanticized visions against the real-world complexities of the legal profession.